Hello home bosses, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to cover an essential topic that can really make or break your success when selling Sudoku puzzle books on platforms like Amazon KDP, and that is how to categorize and optimize your books based on difficulty levels. So my last 3 videos have been all about the new Sudoku puzzle book generator app that has just launched. And I just want to remind you that the promotion will end very soon, and this is your chance to get this app at the current reduced price. And you can also get my bonus if you purchase through my link that I will leave below this video. And the bonus is my super duper marketing guide for Sudoku puzzle books. And I think it's probably the best bonus that I've offered so far because it's really jam-packed with a lot of advice. So let's jump into this video though, which is all about how to categorize and optimize your books based on difficulty levels, because this is one of the questions that a lot of you have been asking me. So you've already seen how offering different levels of difficulty can attract a wider audience, whether it's kids, beginners, or expert puzzlers. But if you don't categorize your books properly on Amazon, they can easily get lost in the shuffle. So today I'm going to walk you through how to make sure your puzzle books are not only well categorized, but also optimized for maximum visibility and sales. Why does categorization matter? Let's start with why it's so important. When potential buyers are looking for a Sudoku book, they often filter their search by difficulty level: easy, medium, or hard. If your book isn't correctly categorized, it's going to be much harder for readers to find it, even if it's exactly what they're looking for. Think of categories as doors that lead buyers directly to your books. The better you position your books within the right doors, the higher the chances of getting discovered. Now let's talk about how to categorize your Sudoku books properly on Amazon KDP. Here's a step-by-step approach. First of all, choose the right category. When you upload your book to Amazon KDP, you'll be asked to choose categories for your book. Be as specific as possible. Here are some category suggestions based on difficulty. So you have the easy Sudoku books under games and activities, under puzzles, and under Sudoku. Then you have medium Sudoku books, games and activities, brain teasers. And there's the hard Sudoku books, games and activities, and advanced puzzles. And also I have to say that this can vary from Amazon marketplace to marketplace. So it may not be exactly the same on the Amazon US as on the Amazon UK, but you get the idea. So just adjust it as much as you can if it's not exactly the same as in this video. So you can also target niche categories like Sudoku for seniors under brain training or Sudoku for kids under educational games. And also use the right keywords. Keywords are just as important as categories. Think about what your target audience is likely to type when searching for a puzzle book. For example, if your book is aimed at beginners, use keywords like easy Sudoku puzzles for beginners, beginner Sudoku puzzle books, brain training for seniors, for more advanced difficulty aimed at older readers. Then there's the title and subtitle optimization. Be sure to include difficulty levels directly in your book's title or subtitle. For example, Easy Sudoku Puzzles for Kids, a fun collection for beginners. Or Challenging Sudoku for Adults, 500 puzzles to test your brain. This not only helps buyers know exactly what they're getting, but also improves your book's visibility in search results. And also add a clear description. In your book description, be upfront about the difficulty level. Clearly state who the book is for and what they can expect in terms of challenge. For example, this book contains 100 easy Sudoku puzzles designed specifically for children aged 6 to 10. Or you could say a collection of 200 medium difficulty Sudoku puzzles for adults looking to improve their skills. Now let's talk about other platforms and subcategories to consider. If you're planning to publish on other platforms like Ingram Spark or Barnes & Noble, the process is similar. You want to make sure your book is placed in the right subcategories to maximize its reach. For Ingram Spark, you can choose categories like games, Sudoku, or educational games, depending on the audience. And don't forget to optimize keywords for other platforms as well, just like you would on Amazon. Remember, the more niche and specific your subcategory is, the less competition you'll face. And let's talk about using difficulty levels to create a series. One of the great things about Sudoku puzzle books is that they lend themselves perfectly to creating a series. By organizing your books by difficulty, you can offer easy to hard progression that encourages buyers to purchase multiple books. And that doesn't mean that you can create a series in the sense that Amazon creates series. If things haven't changed, then puzzle books can't be made into series as such on Amazon. But when we talk about series here, I'm talking about creating books that can all go together and you can refer to them in your A+ content so that people know that they're part of a series or part of a group of books that you have created. So for example, start with an easy Sudoku for beginners book, then follow up with a medium difficulty Sudoku, and finally an expert level Sudoku brain teasers. You can even add fun themes like Sudoku for travelers or Sudoku for stress relief to target specific interests. By categorizing and branding your books properly, you build a loyal customer base that will come back for more as they improve their puzzle solving skills. So that's how you can categorize and optimize your Sudoku puzzle books for maximum visibility and sales on Amazon KDP and other platforms. Proper categorization and keyword optimization are crucial steps in ensuring your books stand out and reach the right audience. If you're ready to start creating your own Sudoku books, make sure to check out the Sudoku Puzzle Generator. It's the easiest tool for generating puzzles and creating books for every difficulty level. And don't forget, when you purchase through my link, which I leave below this video, you'll get access to my exclusive puzzle book marketing blueprint to help you promote and sell your books. Thank you so much for watching. As always, leave your questions and thoughts in the comments and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.